Hello everyone and welcome to the Sunday night edition of Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com. In this video, we will recap last week's market action and discuss our trading plan for tomorrow. But first, if you want our free reports, click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com with your email. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And in the welcome email, you will get a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging services are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat rooms. First up, we published a research report for subscribers on a low float NASDAQ bio penny stock on trading on Friday. Key highlights included market cap under $8 million, float under $4 million, cancer treatment drug clinical trials this year, almost $8 million in cash and no debt. Subscribers have already gotten our report. If you want to get our full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups. Even if you don't want to be a subscriber, you can sign up, get the report, and unsubscribe. It's all completely free. For tomorrow, my plan is to simply watch and see how the markets start the week. If you actively watch, trade the market, you will notice that Monday is a shakeout day. Tuesday, a lot of times they call it turnaround Tuesday. The market takes the clues from Monday and starts trending. If you look at just the weekly candlesticks for the SPY, you can see what I'm talking about. While the market did end down on Friday, the market traded higher all week and weekly call options banked. I'm expecting some action this week in the short squeeze names that I've been talking about on this channel. Silvergate still has a short interest of 76%, Carvana 58%, Blue Apron 43%, GTII on the OTC. This has been the best trader of the bunch. Look at the volatility, even going back to last year. It started out at 10 cents, ran all the way to 4.50, corrected down. The 50-cent level has been major support, and this is from where it's been making several spikes. Again, guys, I can't stress this enough. These names, these short squeeze names, trade them, don't own them. You know, you want to buy dips, sell rips, swing trade them, play them for a couple days. That's it. Get in, get out, make that money. Don't fall in love. Don't fall into this diamond hands, paper hands BS. You want to own something long term, go buy an index fund. ELYS is a short squeeze name. It's been squeezing all year. If you look back here, back on January 3rd, it opened at 23 cents, ran all the way last week to, where did we get as high as $1.47. You look at some of the key, it's been putting out some press releases. We had a big one on February 2nd at 8 a.m. The company acquired software engineering and IT development firm Engage IT Services. Investor Place had it as a top, one of the 7 top short squeeze candidates to watch this month. We ran into some resistance here at the 105 level. We're trading right below that. We break above here, this trend line resistance. We can go back and test the highs of 147. So ELYS is a name that I'll be watching this year. Short float, 10% of the float is short, and just a $32 million market cap. So again, watching this one for further squeeze action this week. AI names are hot, and I expect them to continue to be hot. You have Microsoft investing in ChatGPT. Google is looking to beef up its M&A in terms of AI. Microsoft wants to incorporate AI into its Bing search engine to go up against Google, and Google is definitely on its heels. Will be looking to make sure that it protects its turf. In terms of action this week, I mean, just a rocket ship this week. AIAD closed strong, up 53%. AITX, these are two names on the OTC that are in the AI space. At least putting out press releases, so there's certainly a lot of interest there. I expect a lot more CEOs, particularly in the penny stock arena. They're going to be putting out a lot more just press releases and trying to capitalize on all the buzz around AI. Over on the big board, you had AI running all week, BBAI running, and MARK. MARK is one that our long-term subscribers here at InsiderFinancial.com will well know. This was a big spiker back in 2020 and 2021. 12% of the float is short, so certainly one that can certainly really get the day traders and Wall Street Bets crowd excited. Has just a $15 million market cap. Like I said, 12% of the float is short. This is over 10 million shares, just over 10 million shares short. So again, I'll be watching MARK for more short squeeze action this week. Another name I talked about in the last video was Nordstrom. You got Ryan Cohen taking an activist stake this week. This week will certainly be interesting in Nordstrom. 22% of the float is short, but you got many of the Wall Street Bets crowd. They're still angry at Ryan for bag holding them in Bed Bath & Beyond. If you all remember that situation, he basically put out a late filing that he had accumulated options. A lot of Wall Street Bets piled into the name thinking that he had just initiated that position when in fact he was then selling his position. So he sold into the Wall Street Bets crowd, rug pulled them, and there's a lot of animosity. If you read the Wall Street Bets forum on Reddit, they're not a big fan of Ryan at the moment. But if he makes the money in Nordstrom, all that can change, and also he's still chairman of GameStop. So again, there are another second chances if he can redeem himself. We're also looking at quantum computing names like QBTS. This could be the next sector after AI gets hot. We're going to be doing a lot of research on quantum computing names and more AI names. We're still doing that report on AI names. When we have that ready, we will send out that report to subscribers. Again, only way to get these reports is by signing up. So click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. GFAI been running all month. But again, if you look at FinViz, ran right into the trendline resistance. I really like FinViz. We're not paid spokespersons or anything whatsoever, no affiliation. I just subscribe to their service. I really like it. If you can see on the trend line, it ran right into trendline resistance and it couldn't get above there, so it pulled back. So again, trend lines are already drawn on FinViz, gives you an idea of where support and resistance is, helps you monitor and your trades a lot better. So in this case, it was resistance signaled to you that it was this was the area to book profits. And again, it was up 76% on Friday on no news. So again, this is just this one just starts spiking out of nowhere, and again, certainly an interesting play here. Again, this is one, trade it, don't own it. Moving on, GNS. This is a textbook example of the naked short war being played out on FinTwit and YouTube. Look for more CEOs to try and play this game. Just not sure they are going to be as successful as Roger James Hamilton. I mean, his Twitter is all about naked shorts and how he's looking to go against them. Again, when he started this, the stock was at just trading 35 cents. started spiking from there, ran all the way to $8. So again, he's delivering for his shareholders in the short term. So hats off to Roger, and let's hope he can keep the momentum going and keep GNS running higher. Certainly we'll be watching the price action here. This week's high was $7.99, just under the $8. You know, it's amazing how these markets trade. It seems like a coincidence many times, but again, a lot of just common sense. $7.99, couldn't get above $8, so people sold, and that's why we're trading at $6.76 on profit taking. So again, a lot of this is using common sense. Like I said, you know, I like to watch Monday's price action, get a sense of what the let the bull bear battle shake out, and then just jump on the side that is winning. Doesn't always work. You don't get always a trending week. Sometimes you get a choppy market, and when that is the case, that's when you want to trade small and trade less. Next up, CEOS. Shout out to our sister site, Microcap Daily. They did this article, C-Cores Inc., OTC Market CEOs, Opportunity Mushrooms with Disabled Veterans, written by Bo Rhymes 2 weeks ago when the stock was just 0.026. Closed just under 9 cents on Friday. This was covered again on January 23rd. So congrats to those following Microcap Daily. Again, I will leave a link in the description. Go ahead and sign up for them as well. Completely free service, and they focus mostly on OTC stocks. Lastly, I said at the beginning of the year that I like China and biotechs this year. One China name that I'm watching is JZXN. Has just a $4.3 million market cap. Insiders own 60%. There's been no PR since October. Watch this one. I think this one has a lot of potential. It's only at 19 cents, trading on the NASDAQ. Certainly all it takes is one PR and really can get this one going. So put that on your radar screen for this week. Finally, guys, Insider Financial, myself, are not investment advisors. The video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. I will be back Monday after the bell with a new video update. We'll see how the market shakes out, tell you more what I'm watching, including if I'm looking at any particular options plays. So we'll be updating you guys here on the channel. Thanks for watching. Also, smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Good luck, guys. Bye-bye.